Have you ever made a change and instantly regretted it? Well, I did, by accidentally deleting almost all my user data from a live database. Let's dive into what happened, what I learned, and how I managed to recover my lost data without affecting new records. So here's how it started. I was testing my web app and I use a specific test email for all my checks. It's test@finnchristiansen.com. I even added unique numbers to the emails like test+1, test+2, and so on, just to keep things organized. But eventually, these test users were cluttering my database, so I figured, hey, let's clean it up. I hopped into the SQL console, ready to remove only those test accounts, and typed out delete from user. I called it a day and I went to the gym. A few days later, I noticed something was off. My user numbers were way lower than it should be. Then it hit me. I had deleted everything, every single user. All because I forgot one small, crucial detail, the workflows. It should have been delete from users, were email like test plus and so on. No problem, I thought. I have backups. But it wasn't that simple. Restoring a full backup would mean losing all of the new data created after the deletion. So I couldn't just roll back the clock on my entire database. I needed a way to restore only the deleted users without touching the new ones. Here is what I came up with: a selective data recovery plan. Instead of restoring everything, I would use an RDS snapshot to create a temporary copy of the database, extract only the missing data and merge it back into production. Here's how I did it. First, I used Amazon RDS to create a new database instance from a recent snapshot. But I wanted this to be temporary, so I made sure it was easy to delete afterwards. I used Terraform to set it up with the snapshot database, configuring it the same private network as my production environment, but with permissions that allowed for easy deletion later. Once the snapshot was live, I connected via an SSH tunnel to export only the data I needed. This simple SQL command helped me pull just the missing user records into a CSV file. With the data saved locally, I reconnected to the production database and used another SQL command to import it. This way, I could bring back the deleted users without overwriting any new ones. And just like that, my data was back. So what did I learn from this? First, never make changes on the fly without a safety check. It's so easy to make mistakes in SQL, especially without testing. Next time, I would probably create a dedicated admin route to delete test users, making sure it's reviewed carefully.